Finally, there's an easy and affordable way to grow your business with social media now. The fastest growing companies are using Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and other social media to skyrocket their revenue. Using social media, companies have found new customers, increased their brand presence, and most importantly, increased their sales. But it can be very difficult for small to medium-sized businesses to master social media. How do you even know when to post or what to post? Luckily, there's a new solution that's helping business owners across the country. What is it? Personalized social media management to help you find new customers by posting content about your business online. It's an amazing new way to scale and increase your profits. You'll work with world-class experts who will promote your business online via Facebook, Twitter, and other platforms in order to find you new customers. Even small businesses can benefit from this, because this service creates and curates content to help you reach new audiences. Get ready to see your business grow. You'll retain your customers and get repeat purchases by engaging them online, whilst tapping into a whole new demographic of potential clients. How do you get started? It's simple. Click the button below. This will take you to a form to help us understand your needs. At the end, you'll get free quotes from top providers in your area. Stop missing out on new customers and let the experts handle it for you. Go ahead and click the button below to get started.